it's Gabrielle Kerr here with another episode of Busy Beauty. This show all about helping you find ways to put a little self-care and self-love into your busy lifestyle. This episode, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things to do, facials. And one of my favorite facials to perform is a resurfacing facial. It's one of my favorites to do because when it's done, you feel a difference in your skin, you see a difference in your skin. I know you want to get right to it though, so let's take it away. When to do your facial. A facial isn't something you should do on the day that you have someplace special to attend. You want to do this a day, 2, or even 3 or 4 days out from if you have a special occasion or reason that you're doing one, because you can have a little bit of redness to the skin. You don't need to do this facial too often. I would say no more than every 3 to 4 weeks. We're gonna begin with our first cleanse. We're gonna use the TATCHA for our first oil cleanse. So remember, this is to remove any makeup or impurities on the skin. So if you have makeup on, which I do not, you would put this on dry skin because the oil will help to break down the makeup, and then we add water. All right, so add a little water. All right, let's rinse. Let's do our second cleanse. The second cleanse is going to remove any residue or remaining makeup that we missed with the first cleanse. I'm using the Buttah gel cleanser. I think we're good. Let's go rinse. All right, at this point, I'm gonna turn my little handy dandy steamer on because we're gonna steam the skin. So a couple things about the steamer. It shouldn't be too warm. You shouldn't use it too long. You wanna keep your face about 5 to 7 inches away from the opening. So you can see how the steam is just kind of going up and wrapping around my face. This you shouldn't do for any more than like 8 to 10 minutes. All right, so we're gonna chill here for a few minutes. Now, I'm looking a little flushed. During a facial, it's expected to have a little redness. That will all calm down. We're gonna extract now. There's a really cool tool called the DERMAFLASH, which helps to extract that dirt and makeup out of the pores. That's what we're going to use. The key is wet, 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 wet skin. That way the stainless steel tip can glide over your skin. What you'll do, the technique, you're gonna go from the outside in, at the nose, outside in, up, outside in. You can also use this on your neck and décolletage. You would work upwards against gravity. I'm just gonna focus on the face today. Pull your skin taut, 45-degree angle, and just work your way on in. All right, this is where I need it the most. Okay, that's good. And now we're gonna tone. I'm using this one from Folane, which is a new brand. All right, let's tone. Now comes one of my favorite parts of a facial, and that is the facial massage. We are going to use the BeautyBio Rose Quartz Roller to massage our face. And the product we're going to use while we're massaging is the Buttah Vitamin C Serum. About 4 to 5 drops of the vitamin C serum all over the face. And I just press it in. But I'm going to use the roller upward. We're going to go against gravity. And the rose quartz, it's a crystal. It's super cooling, and it has the little side. You can get a little closer to the under eye. This is good if you've had a long night, a rough night, didn't get your 8 hours. The cooling and the rolling can help to depuff the eye area. Right here if you have 11 lines. Next up, we are going to mask. Today I am going to use from TATCHA their Luminous Deep Hydration Lifting Mask. It's actually a lay-on mask. It has this mesh backing to it because the mask itself is almost like a little gel. How this works is you take the mesh backing off one side and then put it on your face. Mesh backing off, and then you place it on your on your grill. Okay. Try to line everything up. Got the nose, got the mouth. And once you get this placed, you don't have to have it set all in. Then you're going to remove the other part of the mesh. Let's see if we can get it right. Oh, here we go. Another piece of mesh. Now we can really make sure we're getting good contact all the way around. While you wait 15 minutes, we can do a couple other things. All right, let's multitask, multi-mask. Let's do a lip mask. I have from Sara Happ, who is the lip expert, is her brown sugar lip scrub. So I'm gonna just put a little water on my lips. And then I'm gonna scoop out a little bit of the brown sugar. It's really sweet. I just wanna lick it off. We will wipe this off. Now I'm gonna use the TATCHA Kissu lip mask. Apply it liberally. Get this all over. I will see you in about 15 minutes where we will take all of this off. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's do our face mask. There's still a lot of product in the mask. You can take this and just wipe it all over your neck, your décolletage. You can put it on the backs of your hands. Two things I'm gonna do, apply eye cream and face cream. Let's go for the eye cream first. I'm using one from TATCHA, the Revitalizing Eye Cream. You wanna use middle fingers, and then just tap, tap, tap from the outside inward. Then we're going to put on face cream. I have ELEMIS's Pro Collagen Meringue Cream. And then one last step. I have Philosophy's Hope in a Tube Eye and Lip. I'm just gonna put a little extra around my lips. This doesn't go on your lip, it goes more around the lip. We are all finished. If you are going outside, I repeat, if you are going outside, put on sunscreen. I almost want to say wear a hat, some shades. I want you to protect your baby soft skin. All right, I'm gonna go and just lounge and relax. And I hope that you will join me for another episode of Busy Beauty. I'm Gabrielle Kerr, and I will see you next time. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe on all of our social platforms, and I'll see you soon.